Who is the first woman fighter pilot to fly Rafale aircraft? Answer: Shivangi Singh. What is the theme of the 2020 edition of World Tourism Day? Answer: Tourism and Rural Development. Name the singer who holds the Guinness World Record for being the only singer who recorded 40,000 songs. Answer: S.P. Balasubramaniam. Name the scheme launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Bihar that aims to provide optical fiber enabled internet connections to every home in the country. Answer: Gartak Fiber. Name the state in which central government is planning to set up an India-based neutrino observatory. Answer: Tamil Nadu. Where is India's first ever dinosaur cum museum park opened? Answer: Rayoli, Gujarat. Where did Dr. Harshavardhan unveil the statue of Gandhiji on a bicycle? Answer: FSSAI Complex, New Delhi. In which country India is going to build a cricket stadium? Answer: Maldives. According to latest TRA report, which is the most trusted internet brand in India? Answer: Amazon. When is World Folklore Day observed? Answer: August 22. Which mission was declared by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 2020 Independence Day? Answer: National Digital Health Mission. Who was appointed as the first ever CEO of Indian Railway? Answer: Y.K. Yadav. In August 2020, which Union Minister launched the Swachh Bharat Mission Academy in Delhi? Answer: Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. What is the official name of the virus responsible for COVID-19? Answer: SARS-CoV-2. What was the theme of 2020 International Day of the Girl Child? Answer: My voice, our equal future. Name the first state in the country to have high-tech classrooms in all its public schools. Answer: Kerala. Who won the men's 2020 French Open title? Answer: Rafael Nadal. Which day is observed as National Pledge Day? Answer: October 31. Who is known as Iron Lady of Mumbai who expired recently? Answer: Pushpa Bhave. Name the first union territory in India that has launched the first ever tree plantation policy. Answer: Delhi.